All right, guys, we have some great news today. My friend's daughters have a brand new mascara, and so I thought I'd bring my daughter on to talk about it. Natalie, let's open it up. We have a Lash Next Door Brooklyn and Bailey new mascara come out. They sent us a little package. Let's show them some really cool things that we have in here. So inside we have these like bunny scrunchies. These are super fun. I would put them on, but I'm going out tonight and I don't want to scrunchify my hair, but you look adorable. And actually these feel like they won't mess up your hair. They have like that good scrunch.
Good vibe.
And then this, you can put this on right now. Choker. This is a really cool choker.
Yeah, it's a choker.
Let's put it on. Can you lift your hair for me?
What is this?
I lost it. Hold on a second. Okay.
What is that?
I have the mascara in one hand and the choker in the other. Oh, girl. I love it. Ooh, wait. But now we're going to talk about the actual mascara. So the mascara is Brooklyn and Bailey, and this is Blackout.
Ha.
I'm going to put it on.
I'll try it on too. Take it off. Ooh.
I blink my mascara on.
Huh.
It's weird. Ooh. Looks good. I already put some on my eyes, as you can see.
I'll try.
You put it on as well. They do everything, these girls. They are famous YouTubers. I mean, if you're on YouTube,
I love their YouTube channel. It's
they're
great.
so good. They have a few, right? I mean, I feel like they have a whole bunch of things going on. Their mom is amazing, Mindy. I've even met their dad. I've hung out with their dad. They've done. He gives a bunch of talks at different conferences about having YouTube channels and how to work as a family together and best practices and whatnot. So all around, really good people, and I'm really excited for them. I hope this product, I don't even feel like I have to say I hope this product does well, because I'm pretty sure it will. It's called Lash Next Door. Have you gotten your hands on this product yet? If so, let me know. Kudos to Brooklyn and Bailey for putting something on the market that is fantastic. You can see.
My eyelashes are so long, it's like touching my glasses.
Come closer. Let me see. Oh yeah, girl, I see them. Fabulous. Well, you can see mine. I already put some on before I started the video, and I feel good about it. Like I said, this is Blackout, and the number is, Mommy can't see anymore. Hold on. 804.
8043A.
Thank you. 8043A if you want to check it out. Brooklyn and Bailey, good luck. I don't even need to say that because it's Brooklyn and Bailey. It's probably already sold out. Like, I'm putting this video online, and my guess is they've already sold out. But keep checking anyway. I'm sure there's plenty of stock online. They're that good. Good luck, girls. And until next time.
Bye.